In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email marketing campaign in Klaviyo. This process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to harness the power of email marketing with precision and ease. Let's get started right away. First, head over to Klaviyo's website and log in using your existing credentials. If you haven't set up your account yet, you'll need to sign up and set your account preferences before moving forward. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the Klaviyo dashboard, presenting a variety of options and tools at your disposal. To begin crafting your campaign, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Campaigns, then select the Create Campaign option. When prompted, choose Email as your campaign type. It's worth noting that Klaviyo also supports SMS campaigns, so you can explore those at your convenience if desired. For now, let's focus on an email campaign. Now it's time to name your campaign. Make sure to choose a name that's clear and relevant. This will help you keep your campaigns organized, especially as your portfolio of email strategies expands. Next, click on Add Recipients. Here you can select a list or a segment of your audience. If you've already compiled subscriber lists or specific audience segments, go ahead and choose the right one for this particular email. Moving forward, click on Create Content and then Use Email Template. Klaviyo offers a variety of pre-built templates to get you started, but you also have the option to design a template from scratch if you're feeling creative. Once you've selected your template, it's time to customize your email. This step is where you bring your brand to life within the email. Add your brand's logo and use your signature colors to maintain consistency and brand recognition. Eye-catching imagery and clear headlines will help capture the reader's attention. Don't forget to include a compelling call to action (CTA), which could be a clickable button or a link that directs your audience to further engagement. Now set up the details of your campaign. Begin with crafting an engaging and personalized subject line. This is crucial as it's the first impression and influences open rates significantly. Choose a recognizable sender name, ideally your brand name, to foster trust and familiarity. Enhance this with preview text, which acts as a short but compelling summary to intrigue your recipients and encourage them to open your email. Before you finalize everything, use the preview option. This allows you to see how your email will appear on various devices, ensuring it's optimized for both desktop and mobile views. Once satisfied, you can either send your campaign immediately by selecting Send Now, or schedule it for a specific date and time that aligns with your marketing strategy. And there you have it, your email marketing campaign in Klaviyo is ready to launch. I hope this guide helps streamline your email marketing efforts and boost your engagement with your audience. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.